here I just want to quickly show you how I'm using my taping. So I'm applying eyepatch straight under the bottom lashes. And so let's see it again. So I'm not aiming on from the top on the bottom lashes. I'm aiming under the bottom lashes. So my next step will be to cut my silicone tape. So it's quite expensive, so I'm saving money and I'm cutting in thin pieces. And very gently, not going over the wet line, I'm applying the silicone tape. As I said, this tape is very stable. It's securely covering lashes, so it's not moving a lot, so it's really reliable tape. I'm working with this tape for many years now. I already tested out this. So yeah, and from the previous review, you already understood that this tape requiring the eyepad underneath. So, and the next step will be my paper tape. I just want to make my job smooth and quick without any fibers sticking to my client eyes and without my tweezers stucking in the tapes. So I'm covering with paper tape, silicone tape, and therefore I'm making my job very smooth, easygoing, without unnecessary movements and necessary problems. So this is my last tape step. So here I'm using all those fiber tapes, micropore and irregular tapes, just for the eyelid lifting. Here we go. Voila, that's it.